Hello, my name is Garrett Andrews, and this morning before practice I drove to Duck Lake to take pictures of both Duck Lake and Lake Michigan, which was very fun to do, to get outside and look at the environment. This was the first picture I got. It shows the waves, and this too. I mean, this is not like a Boston. This is actually part of the beach in itself, which I couldn't find any pictures online, but this beach used to be a lot bigger than it is now. Like, it just keeps getting smaller. This is another picture I took. The waves are not, from what I've seen. I didn't, honestly, I'm just on the road looking, but the waves came in pretty straight. They didn't come in at an angle, in my opinion. Here's a picture. I walked down by the bridge, and it really shows how high the water has gotten throughout the years, as this used to be a trail, not a trail, a path, and it's clearly underwater. This is the time of picture I took. I was very glad to get in a picture. Also, by the bridge, that a lot of memories at Duck Lake when I was a kid. I was on the other side of the bridge to get a better angle about how high the water's gotten. As you can see, the beach throughout the years has eroded, which can make the water come in higher. I took this picture because, for one, it's a beautiful pic, but you really can't see it, but the waves are like going this way towards this area, which I just thought was interesting. Another pic of like the waves and Duck Lake in general, and also how this has gotten so much smaller throughout the years. It used to go like way out here, but now it's all the way up here. I had my slides on, so I really wanted to not touch the sand, so I was walking on these barriers, which are here for a specific reason. Also, this sand and this sand, there's like a 4-foot difference in the height, but you really can't tell from the picture. Well, kind of, but obviously these are here for a reason. Eventually the water's probably going to get to this point. Another picture of the waves, of how, like this is like the angle I'm talking about. Seem like they're coming in straight and not at an angle. Another thing, like they look like straight on. Here's the barriers and like the kid zone, as North Muskegon people would say. And yeah, I had to snag a picture of these rocks, which was here to like stop the water from hitting the coast. It's like, like a protectant. And another one. I used to go down here before and after work, take a look at the view in the fall. But yeah, all these rocks are here to protect the mainland, obviously. And yes, that is all. Thank you very much.